In the previous lesson, we did the quadratics that are all positive. Here we have positive term, then positive term, then positive term. But in this lesson, we'll do the factorization of quadratics that have middle term negative. Here it's negative and here it's negative, right? So actually there are three possible cases. This is the second case. Let me give you an example. Let's say we have x minus 5 times x minus 1, right? We know that the answer to this will be x times x, both left. So x squared. Then we have minus x here and minus 5x here and minus x here. So minus 6x. And then we have both rights. Minus 5 times minus 1 is plus 5. Now you can see that in this case the middle term is negative. So in binomials that are being multiplied by each other, if both have negative sign, the answer will have negative sign in the middle and positive in the end. And this will always be the case. If now you can see that the first terms will be positive because both are positive, and the last term will also be positive because this negative times this negative will always give us positive answer, and the middle will always be negative. And the process is exactly same that we learned in the previous lesson. So here we have 1, then this is minus 7, so minus 7, and we have plus 12, right? And we have to split minus 7 into two numbers so that this ratio is equal to this ratio, as we did in the previous lesson. So 1 is to, let's break this into minus 3 and minus 4. And we can see here also it's 1 is to minus 3, and here also it's 1 is to minus 3. Or in other words, if we multiply this ratio by negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, and negative 4 times negative 3 is 12. So we get this ratio. So they are same, exactly same ratio. It means the first term we get, let me bring this here, it means the first term, first binomial that we get, and we know that both have negative, right? And the first one is 1, that is x, and minus 3. So these are the two numbers, x minus 3. And the next binomial we can get by the division. So this first term, x squared divided by x is x, and then this 12 divided by this negative 3 is negative 4. So we have already negative, so negative 4, x minus 4 and x minus 3, that is the answer. Now look at this example. We have 2 and we have minus 7 and we have 3 here. And if we break this minus 7 into minus 1 and minus 6, right, we'll have the same ratio here. Now our first binomial is 2x and we have minus 1 here, and the second will be, second one we can get with the division, 2x squared, first term with the first term. So 2x squared divided by 2x is x, and the last term with the last term, so 3 divided by minus 1 is minus 3, and that is our answer. With a little practice you will know how to split this number. And if in the beginning you can also try, there will be 2-3 combinations. You can try minus 1 minus 6, then minus 2 minus 5, and so on, and you will know when it is correct. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.